On the other hand, two students were apprehended by volunteers of Indigenous Youth Association Kangleipak Iyak for allegedly supplying photocopied answers during the English paper on the first day of Hslce examination at PLC Academy Examination Center in Yairipok. The teachers, namely Bosem Umakanta and Konzam Deepak of Khomdon Educational Blooming Institute, Charangpat, were detained following a drive led by Iyak's Kakching District President Y. Inaubi Moirangcha. Addressing a press briefing, Iyak Secretary General Nomaitem Inauba Angom stated that volunteers detected the alleged malpractice and immediately informed the officer in charge and SO of the examination center. However, he claimed the authorities suggested leniency, citing that the examination was nearly over. Inauba further alleged that Iyak volunteers conducted surveillance around the campus and identified a van allegedly used to print photocopies of answers. The vehicle reportedly fled when approached. After the examination concluded, volunteers located the same vehicle parked not far from the center and nabbed the two teachers. He said that upon questioning, the duo reportedly admitted to their involvement. They were later handed over to Bosem officials. Iyak has urged Bosem to take strict action against the two teachers and all others involved, including the authorities of the examination center, for their alleged role in the incident.
The microcopy to come the exercise that Kapamba notes in the Aina, Sankopa, Akopa, Idasan, Nausing the Zupanapa. The city supplied over Yorabra had an Aina or Shida at the Yeso Kapunas and Sanga Kanda, Sikim Sumasi, Pani, Kamaito, Noza, and Hakanda. Do Minisulu Drobanina, Example Drobanina, but do Tuazida, Haraga, Mogi, or Maitarian, Manatuazi Haraga, Hadropodaki.
Sigi Patraba, Sugumba, Kunai, Sugu Mangbayaba, Tabak Toramse, Sigi Zagazina, Aquina Tangazabadi, Sigi Zagazina, Hagoja, Sina Tabida, Topa Zagazaga, Mafam Karadazu, Taurangali, Habaki Pazabatum Majari, Yaragadi, Sugumba, Kunai Sugu Manga, the Batarose, Abukanda, Tobidanaba, Haidana, Mayami, the Yakish Haidani.
Bosem has launched a strict inquiry after allegations surfaced that two teachers supplied answers to students at the PLC Academy Class 10 Examination Center in Yairipok today. Bosem Secretary S. Jitilal Sharma said the incident was reported from a private school functioning as an examination center at Yairipok. It is alleged that two teachers Xerox answer sheets and distributed them to students during the ongoing examination. Initial findings suggest that after the question paper was opened, answers were prepared and circulated to students through WhatsApp before being supplied in printed form. The Secretary stated that the matter is being taken very seriously and a detailed investigation has been initiated from the board's end. A complaint has also been lodged at Yairipok police station for taking necessary legal action against the two teachers involved. Further, the officer in charge, superintendent of the center and other officials on duty are also under scrutiny to ascertain their roles in the alleged malpractice. Bosem has warned that it will not tolerate any attempt to undermine the integrity of examinations and assure that strict action will be taken against anyone found guilty.
Laptop inverter printer battery Hariba Togasi Mari police station like Pena Iduna Hyper Music Sisopena Sinazake Hariba Todo as a Pena Suhana Mamanga Mayamama Sumo to talk about Mayamda Pehajiki the day Venana Makidagi Hariba Secretary Sigi officials Sing Marakta Karikari Pena Tabusin Kalakata Yah Supe to the Tanaraga. Many cities of Pena, Hariba Sopena, Matunda Mona talked about Tabusin Kotsalani and National.